चेन्ज भएको छ रे है त यो तपाईले जे भनेको त्यही गर्नुभयो छैन है यो तपाईले जे भनेको त्यही गर्नुभयो छैन है यहाँ चाहिँ लाइटिङ रासन छ रासन छ
Hello, 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 check. Hello, check. Guest of the function, the chief guest of the Union function, Minister, the Honorable Union Minister, Finance and Corporate Affairs, Corporate Affairs, Government of India, will arrive at the venue in just a short while from now. I'd like to request. Government of Sikkim, beneficiaries, and everyone present here today. On behalf of the State Bank of India and the Government of Sikkim and the entire banking fraternity, it is my honor and privilege to offer a warm welcome to Madam Nirmala Sitharaman, the Honorable Minister of Finance and Corporate Affairs, Government of India. A warm welcome to Shri Prem Singh Tamang, the Honorable Chief Minister, Government of Sikkim, and all esteemed dignitaries on and off the stage. At the very outset, I invite Shri Dinesh Kumar Khara, Chairman SBI, to welcome the Honorable Union Minister with the traditional khada and flower bouquet. I request Chairman SBI to offer khada and bouquet to the Honorable Chief Minister, Government of Sikkim. I request Chairman SBI to offer khada and bouquet to Shri Arun Upreti, the Honorable Speaker, Sikkim Legislative Assembly. I request Chairman SBI to offer khada and bouquet to Dr. Vivek Joshi, Secretary, Department of Financial Services, Government of India. I request Chairman Sir again to offer khada and bouquet to Shri V.B. Pathak, Chief Secretary, Government of Sikkim. Thank you, sir. I now request Shri Prem Anup Sinha, Chief General Manager, SBI Kolkata Circle, to offer khada and bouquet to Shri K.V. Saji K.V., Chairman NABARD. Shri Saji K.V., Chairman NABARD. I request CGM Sir to offer khada and bouquet to Shri S. Raman, Chairman SIDBI. And finally, I request CGM Shri Prem Anup Sinha to offer khada and bouquet to Chairman SBI Shri Dinesh Kumar Khara. Thank you, sir. After the formal welcome of the chief guest and esteemed dignitaries on the stage, I now take this privilege and request the Honorable Union Minister to formally inaugurate the program by lighting the ceremonial lamp. May I also invite the Honorable Chief Minister and esteemed dignitaries for the lighting of the ceremonial lamp. Thank you, Honorable Madam and esteemed dignitaries. The Credit Outreach Program is an initiative of the Ministry of Finance, Government of India, under which banks have been asked to reach out to every district of the country to endow loans to eligible borrowers under priority sectors, The program is focused on collaborative efforts towards financial inclusion and empowering communities through sanctions of various credit facilities to far-flung villages and communities. With the permission of the Chair, I would give a brief introduction about the program in Nepali language. क्रेडिट आउटरिच कार्यक्रम भारत सरकारको वित्त मन्त्रालयको एउटा महत्त्वपूर्ण पहल हो, जस अन्तर्गत ब्याङ्कहरूलाई प्राथमिकताका क्षेत्रहरूमा योग्य उधारकर्ताहरूलाई ऋण दिनका लागि देशका प्रत्येक जिल्लासम्म पुग्नका निम्ति निर्देशन दिएको छ। यो कार्यक्रम दुर्गम क्षेत्रका गाउँ र समुदायहरूलाई विभिन्न ऋण सुविधाहरू स्वीकृत गरी आर्थिक समावेशीकरण गर्नु र समुदायहरूलाई सशक्त बनाउने दिशामा सहयोग गर्नमा केन्द्रित छ। हालमा सिक्किम राज्यमा कुल 3828 लाभार्थीहरूलाई यी सुविधाहरू प्रदान गरिँदैछ, जसको मूल रकम 4,402 करोड रहेको छ, जसको टोकन स्याङ्सन लेटर आज माननीय मन्त्री महोदयको बाहुलीबाट यहाँ वितरण गरिनेछ। अब हामी औपचारिक स्वागत भाषणतर्फ अघि बढिरहेका छौँ। May I now invite Sri Dinesh Kumar Khara, Chairman SBI, to kindly deliver the welcome address.
Very good afternoon to all of you. Honorable Minister of Finance and Corporate Affairs, Shrimati Nirmala Sitharaman ji. Honorable Chief Minister of Sikkim, Shri Prem Singh Tamang ji. Honorable Speaker, Government of Sikkim, Shri Arun Upreti ji. Honorable Vivek Joshi ji. Honorable Chief Secretary, Government of Sikkim, Shri Vijay Bhushan Pathak. Chairman NABARD, Shri Shah ji. And Chairman SIDBI, Shri Raman. Esteemed guests and dignitaries. A warm welcome to Sikkim, the land of majestic landscape and vibrant cultures. At the very outset, I extend my heartfelt condolences to all those affected by the recent flood in the state. Our thoughts are with the families who have lost their loved ones and the communities which are grappling with the aftermath. All banks stand in solidarity with the people of Sikkim during this hour of crisis. Today marks a significant milestone as we gather here to delve into the realm of financial inclusion through credit outreach program. Our aim is to foster economic growth and prosperity across the state. The credit outreach program under the visionary leadership embodies the essence of empowerment and progress. It seeks to extend credit facilities to the farthest corner, uplifting the lives of our fellow citizens, especially in the remotest area of Sikkim. As SLBC, we have always upheld the commitment to serve the nation and its people. Our unwavering dedication to the credit inclusion aligns perfectly with the government's mission of providing accessible and affordable financial services to every individual. In the state of Sikkim, there are 390 banking outlets consisting of 194 bank branches, 108 customer service points. With a deposit base of almost 14,000 crore plus and credit of more than 9,000 crores, the CD ratio of the state stands at almost 64% as on 30th September 23. With a total disbursement of rupees 700 crores under priority sector lending, banks in Sikkim have achieved 69% of the total target of 1,300 crores under annual credit plan for 2023-24. We at SBI are proud to serve the citizens of Sikkim state by 42 branches and also a network of 71 ATMs. With your esteemed presence of all the dignitaries and the guidance, we are poised of enabling every citizen to participate in the economic story of our nation. It too gives me great pleasure to express our heartfelt appreciation to the Honorable Chief Minister of Sikkim and his unwavering support and ensuring that the banking services in Sikkim remains accessible to people of Sikkim. Let us collectively embark on this journey of inclusive growth and development. Thank you very much. All the very best. Thank you.
Thank you very much, sir. We are honored to have with us Dr. Vivek Joshi, Secretary, Department of Financial Services, Government of India. I take this privilege to request respected Secretary, sir, to kindly address this program.
Honorable Finance Minister, Honorable Chief Minister of Sikkim, Honorable Speaker, other ministers of Sikkim, MLAs, Chief Secretary, Government of Sikkim, Chairman SBI, Chairman NABARD and SIDBI, SLBC Convener, Sikkim, senior officers from Government of India, Government of Sikkim, Gangtok Administration, friends from press, senior bank officials, dear beneficiaries, ladies and gentlemen. First of all, I would like to thank Honorable Finance Minister for taking time out from her very, very busy schedule to visit Gangtok and to preside over this credit outreach program, which is organized jointly by SBI, NABARD, SIDBI, other banks and State Government of Sikkim. I am also very grateful and honored to have Honorable Chief Minister of Sikkim, Tamangji, and his cabinet colleagues and Speaker sir on this occasion. As all of you know that this is the second credit outreach program being organized within a year in Gangtok under the leadership of Honorable Finance Minister, and this in itself shows the keen interest that Finance Minister has for the economic development of Sikkim. Last year, during her visit to Lachin, Honorable Finance Minister inaugurated an ATM and desired to have a bank branch in that village. I am happy to inform you here that a branch of SBI has started functioning in that area from April 2023. Since Madam's last visit, a substantial progress has been made in opening of bank accounts and saturation of people with social security schemes in Sikkim. Around 1100 PMJDY accounts have been opened new in the last 10 months, while 19,384 additional persons have been covered under PMJJBY and around 37,000 additional persons have been covered under PMSBY during this period. Enrollment under the Atal Pension Yojana has also grown up by 4,600. As all of us know that in the recent floods, which this state had encountered, widespread destruction of life and property has taken place. In order to provide relief to the people of the state, several relief measures were announced by the banks, which included, among others, loan moratorium and loan restructuring, providing fresh loans without collaterals, and providing loans up to rupees 10 lakh at concessional rate of interest. The time limit for applying for the relief measures is up to 23rd January 2024. Till date, the banks have received 66 claims and all of these claims have been settled. Various banks have also contributed substantially for under CSR for assisting in relief measures undertaken by the state government. At the same time, we have also received 192 insurance claims which have been submitted to various public sector general insurance companies. These claims are at various stages of settlement. As we know that tourism sector is the mainstay of the state's economy, with Old Silk Route, Changu Lake and Nathula border among the most visited places. As tourism industry in the state is growing at a faster pace, banks should seize this opportunity and offer ever-increasing credit to this sector. Since Sikkim is a pioneering state in eco-tourism, low-cost and environment-friendly homestays may be assisted with credit facility by the banks. Apart from tourism, agriculture is main occupation of Sikkim, and Sikkim is the first completely organic state of India. Sikkim's organic products are famous all over India. Black cardamom and temi tree tea are a specialty of this state. The state also has sizable number of pharmaceutical and food processing industries. Pilot project to grow saffron in Sikkim has yielded successful results. With the constant hard work done by the Ministry of Finance under the able guidance of our Finance Minister, the banking services has reached to even the persons living in the remotest corner of this country. As on date, there are 194 bank branches, 230 ATMs and 108 banking correspondents and 8 India Post Payment Bank centers in Sikkim. Banks have done a good job in deploying business correspondents in far-flung areas so as to extend banking services to people of these areas. With the help of the state administration, a lot of work has been done to extend benefits of various financial inclusion schemes to people of Sikkim. Around 89,000 Jan Dhan accounts have been opened in the state, and the total operative accounts, bank accounts of all types in this state are approximately 9 lakh. Under Jan Suraksha schemes, 2.17 lakh and 108 lakh enrollments have been done in PM-SBY and PM-JJBY schemes respectively. Around 1.45 lakh Mudra loans have also been sanctioned in the state till date. I am very happy to share that in the recent past, the banks have been very active in extending loans to industries and to the people of Sikkim, as a result of which the CD ratio of state has jumped substantially from 50% in March 2022 to 64% in September 23. Under PM Swanidhi, 1,028 loans have been sanctioned to street vendors, surpassing the target of 900 set for this state. Digital payments have substantially increased in number, and today UPI has become a very convenient tool for making payments. More and more merchants, including street vendors, are getting onboarded on UPI and have QR codes installed. I request all of you who are present here, all the beneficiaries, to start using UPI and other modes of digital payments. Banks may regularly conduct financial literacy camps to make people aware of various financial inclusion schemes and digital payment schemes. They should also tell people about various kind of digital frauds. I may also like to mention here that Viksit Bharat Sankalp Yatra is being organized across the country in order to make people aware about the various development schemes of the government and to make a sankalp to make this country as a developed country by 2047. Soon this yatra is to be started in Sikkim also. Wherever these vans are going, people are assembling in large number and participating in the events. I call upon all the banks, NABARD, SIDBI and other financial institutions to utilize this initiative in ensuring that all possible efforts for saturation of all the flagship schemes of Ministry of Finance are made during this ongoing Sankalp Yatra. It should also be utilized in generation of financial awareness and imparting financial literacy to the villagers. PM Vishwakarma is another new initiative of Government of India, which is being jointly implemented by Ministry of MSME, Ministry of Skill Development and Department of Financial Services, which targets the Vishwakarmas across the country to revive 18 traditional craftsmanship with toolkit finance, training and loan up to 3 lakh in 2 tranches. Banks have done a good job in account verifications at branch level. Now is the time for the banks to help our artisans with the much needed credit support by disposing of their applications in a time-bound manner. I urge the SLBC and LDMs to keep monitoring the progress under various flagship schemes being implemented through the banks. I also request the state government agencies to guide entrepreneurs in preparation of viable bankable projects under Mudra and Stand Up India scheme. NABARD and SIDBI are requested to provide technical and managerial assistance for effective and timely implementation of the projects. On behalf of Department of Financial Services, in the end, I would like to assure the people of Sikkim and people of Gangtok and the state government of our full cooperation and support in the economic development of this state. Thank you very much. Jai Hind.
Thank you very much, sir. We are honored to have the esteemed presence of Sri Prem Singh Tamang, the Honorable Chief Minister, Government of Sikkim. I take this honor and privilege to request Honorable Chief Minister to kindly address this function.
Honorable Union Finance Minister Madam Srimati Nirmala Sitharaman ji, Honorable Speaker, Sikkim Legislative Assembly Sri Arun Upreti ji, respected Cabinet colleagues, respected Secretary, Department of Financial Services, Government of India, Sri Vivek Joshi ji, respected Chief Secretary, Government of Sikkim, Sri B.B. Pathak ji, respected Chairman Sri Siva Subramaniam Ramanji, esteemed dignitaries on and off the dais, respected head of the department and officers from Government of India and the Government of Sikkim, respected heads and officers from the national and the regional banks, ladies and gentlemen, praise India. Extend my heartiest New Year greetings and best wishes to every one of you present here. With the highest honor of this program held in our beautiful green state of Sikkim. Your presence gracing this occasion is deeply appreciated, acknowledging the fundamental role you play as the Union Finance Minister, spearheading transformation reforms in the financial sector. Madam, at the outset, I express sincere gratitude of the ground realities faced by states like Sikkim. A significant number of micro and small enterprises in our region operate informally, grappling with challenges in meeting mandatory documentation requirements such as open account number or goods and services tax identification numbers. The launch of the Indian Assist platform by the Government of India has been of great help, which stands as a reform tool aiming to formalize informal microenterprises and enable their access to benefit previously beyond their reach before the 2023. Madam, I am pleased to share that we submitted a memorandum to the Government of India seeking financial assistance for the long-term restoration and rehabilitation following the devastating flash floods along the Sitharaman on the 4th of October 2023. Your assurance of full support from the Government of India for the long-term restoration and rehabilitation process are deeply appreciated. I express my profound gratitude for the timely assistance extended by the Government of India in response to the distress caused by the flash flood. The approval of the board chair of the State Disaster Response Fund amounting of rupees 44.8 crores in a year 2023-24 will substantially reinforce our endeavors in delivering crucial relief measures. Your unwavering support and assistance. I take this opportunity to highlight that the Sikkim government faces limited avenues for revenue generation, thus relying significantly on funds provided by the Government of India and credit from financial entities, especially commercial banks, to propel economic development. Notably, these banks have been instrumental in providing essential credit through various schemes, showcasing commendable performance, particularly over the last 2 years. The credit to GSDP ratio has been remarkable growth during this period in the state of Sikkim, rising from the lowest position among the northeastern states. Sikkim has now secured a place among the top 3. Banks, notably the State Bank of India and several other commercial banks, have played a crucial role in delivering credit, contributing significantly to this growth. Additionally, NABARD's contribution as a development bank has been noteworthy in fostering financial development in the state. As of September 30, 2023, the credit deposit ratio in our state stands at an encouraging 64%. This marks a notable improvement from previous year, reflecting a positive trend in credit accessibility and utilization. Especially the CD ratio for public sector banks and state cooperative banks stand at 82.02% and 50.80% respectively, while private sector banks exhibit a ratio of 35.03%. Sikkim has gained recognition as one of the leading mountain state with exceptional financial inclusion, achieving full banking coverage across all blocks, leaving no area unbanked. The banking sector in our state has intensified its effort towards achieving 100% digital enablement across all districts. As of September 30, 2023, Gazing district has successfully attained 100% digital enablement. Moreover, the remaining 5 districts on average have surpassed the 90% mark in their digital
enablement progress. Madam, I am delighted to highlight the remarkable progress our state has achieved across various parameters online in the National Strategy for Financial Inclusion. Notably, our coverage under the PM Jivan Jyoti Bima Yojana stand impressively at 117% of PM Jan Dhan Yojana accounts, a significant leap beyond the national average of 35%. Similarly, our success under PM Suraksha Bima Yojana is outstanding, with coverage of 239% of PMJDY accounts, far surpassing the national average of 79%. This significant achievement underscores our commitment not only to cover PMJDY accounts but also to extend the benefit to non-PMJDY account across our state. Our achievement extend further with Atal Pension Yojana, where we have achieved commendable coverage of 40%, surpassing